I'm about to drink is the world's cleanest milk. It has no lactose, no cholesterol, and it doesn't even come from an animal. This is the world's first milk that is made without a cow. And these guys made it.
Hi, my name is Aviv.
And my name is Ori.
And we found a way to fix milk.
Yes, turns out milk needs fixing because traditional cow milk is not as good as it looks on TV.
It's working! Keep drinking!
Because 1. Milk is not healthy. Milk from cows is full of lactose, which is the thing that makes you go. And 65% of humans cannot tolerate lactose. It is also filled with cholesterol and saturated fats. 2. Milk is not sustainable. For every 1 liter of cow milk, 1,000 liters of water are wasted.
Dairy production is a leading contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. It uses lots of water and produces a lot of waste.
And 3, milk comes from animals. And animals need a lot of space and money and water and energy to give us milk. And in animal factories, milk production means animal abuse.
That's why we need to come up with a different kind of milk. One that is sustainable, affordable, and ethical.
So Aviv and Ori gave up their jobs to take the biggest risk of their life. Make something that we drank for thousands of years better. After extensive research, they found a way to do it. First, they copied the genes from a cow on how to make milk and then transformed it into a microbe. So now you don't need a cow to make milk, just the microbe. And using fermentation, this microbe can make milk proteins. And from these proteins, they created milk. It looks exactly the same and tastes exactly the same as the one you get from a cow. Except this new milk is much healthier. And no cows harmed in the process. Tell me which one is real and which one is fake.
Tastes like milk, okay. It tastes exactly the same.
This milk is so good, it can make a cow jealous and grateful.
This process is called microbial fermentation.
We ported the whole mechanism of producing milk into a single cell microbe. So we don't need the rest of the cow, and we surely don't need to spend resources in the process of creating a 900 kilograms animal.
With this process, you just need 10% of the water, 1% of the land, and 0% of the cows to create real milk. I'm not sure how to say it, but this is a big deal.
Yes, this is a big deal.
For the first time in human history, we can make better, healthier, and more sustainable food.
Essentially, we can make everything we love about dairy products without the downsides.
So imagine this. Very soon, you can go to the supermarket and the entire dairy section will be a lot healthier and a lot more sustainable. All the cheese, yogurt, and milk will taste just as great and cost just as much without any factory farming.
I just don't understand why this is so revolutionary. Like, don't we already have almond milk and cashew milk?
This is not almond milk. Almond milk tastes different and you cannot make cheese from it. You cannot make yogurt from this cashew or almond milk. The promise of this one is to be chemically the same. It's the same molecules that come from a cow are now coming from a lab. And it's just healthier and better. And you can make cheese and yogurt from this, which you cannot do from almond milk. I don't know about you, but I am excited about the future. People like Aviv and Ori are working every day, every night, every weekend to do something that has never been done before. And when they succeed, we all succeed, both humans and animals alike. That's more than a minute. See you soon.